You can do it.
He's so frustrated.
Okay, try again. Try again, Ray Ray. Come, try again.
Tired is after hurting. Like,
You
oh,
try.
you're gonna break your other arm. What the hell?
Come on. Should I just put you on the carpet then instead of on this thing? Can you go? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on. Come on. Can somebody do this so I can show him what to do? Alright, come on. Come, like this. One. Oh. Move. You have to move like this. Move, move. Okay, can you go? Come. Come, move. 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 Oh. Pick up again. Come up again. Pick yourself up again. Oh, I think he's hungry. No, he's getting cranky.
I think his head is a little too large.
It's not that heavy. Come on. You can do it. Okay. Wasn't it like just a couple of days ago that I did that with his legs going? Because he keeps putting his legs out like this. I straightened it out and I was trying to make him crawl. Just like a couple of days ago.
Oh, yesterday he swam at the
Yeah.
dentist at the doctor's office.
Actually, yeah, that's why we did it. No, that's why I did it yesterday.
There he goes.
Oh yeah. I saw the hand move.
Aww. Go, Ray, go. Go to the butterfly. Come on. Go to the bee. Come on.
Yeah, watch that
Come
one.
on. Come get it. Come get it. You can do it. Come on. Come get it. You can do it. Come on.
Don't take it further away from him.
No, I'm not.
Move it closer. Oh, almost.
Come on. You can do it.
Come, boo.
Go on, come on, come
Come
on.
on.
Come on, it's right there. It's right there.
Oh, he's tired. Alright.